start with. I want to do a couple of grabs and see where that leads up, but we got to warm up a little bit, so we'll warm up with this. So, a couple different ideas. First one is I'm going to get a hold of him, I'm going to control him. So I'm going to come up behind Max and I'm going to shoot the seatbelt right away. Because I don't know what his reaction is going to be, I don't want to get headbutted in the face. So turn the chin behind the shoulder, back of the head right over here, catch my seatbelt, take away his hips, drop, 2 steps back. Seatbelt, hips, drop, 2 steps back, take a knee. Seatbelt, hips, drop, 2 steps back. Cover the knee. So on the last one, take away his hip, drop. As I walk back, catch the head. Don't let the head hit the floor. Knee covers. Don't care where his hand is. Knees coming down. Hands up. Cover. Hands down. Bring the knee on top. We'll start with those 3.